Hare Krishna to everybody. This year in 2020, because of COVID, so we are not doing the Sikhetra Parikrama as we used to do each year, but we are doing virtual Parikrama. You can observe online the Parikrama. No need to come to the place walking. In sitting in your house, you can get the benefit of Parikrama. So today we are in Sri Jagannath Vallabh Garden. Sri Jagannath Vallabh Garden is one of the old garden and dearmost garden of Sri Jagannath. Vallabha, the meaning of word Vallabha is Priya, dear. So Jagannath likes this garden too much. Actually, DT means temple, courtyard and garden. Tulsi garden, flower garden, fruits garden. Yes, it's required. So that's why huge garden, starting from Jagannath's north side to the southern side of Narendra Sarovar. All this in between this piece of land is under Jagannath Vallabh Garden. Now, because of government has taken over, and anyway, people have different type of mentality, so they have built the car parking there and many other things, but still good amount of area still is there as Jagannath, in the Jagannath Vallabh Garden, and hardly some flower trees or fruit trees are there. Otherwise, before, in Mahaprabhu's time, at the time of Mahaprabhu, when he was there, lot of fragrant flower trees and lot of fruit trees like coconut, jackfruit, mango, all these things are there, and tamal, champak, ashok, and kadamba, and so many varieties of flowers are there. And from Jagannath temple side, in various seasons, various pastimes used to take place in this garden. Now again, the tradition is going on, like Dayana Chori and Bentalila, like there are various pastimes they are doing there. The representative of Jagannath, Ramakrishna, they will come in Palki and do various pastimes there. For Gaudiyas, this Jagannath Vallabh Garden is famous because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed some glorious pastimes there. One of them is Prataparudra Uddhar. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was there in Puri, almost 520 years before, at that time the Gajapati Maharaj was Prataparudra Dev. So Prataparudra Dev, when he heard that the Sarvabhauma Pandit, the eminent scholar of that era, he got totally changed, transformed. His thinking, feeling, talking, behaving, everything changed. When he, within a week, by coming in contact of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and everybody asked what happened, Sarvabhauma Panditji. Sarvabhauma Pandit told, this is all because of his Param Brahma Parameswar. Who? That is new sannyasi. What? You are considering a man as a Supreme Lord? Yes, yes, yes. So Sarvabhauma Pandit is very serious, very learned scholar. So when he is saying, not only saying, it totally transformed. So all the scholars of Orissa, all over Orissa, including the king, they get really astonished, and they all want to see if Sarvabhauma Pandit is considering this person as Supreme Lord, then we have to see. Everybody want to see. But Mahaprabhu, he left for South India. Anyway, when he come back, even Sri Prataprudra Dev, the king, he want to visit him, but Mahaprabhu denied. No, I can't see the king. So king tried and tried and tried, but Mahaprabhu was denying. But finally, all these senior devotees, they made a plot, and they requested king that when Mahaprabhu in Rath Yatra's time, in front of Rath Yatra, when he will dance and become tired, he used to go and take rest in this garden. So during that time, you change your dress. In a civil dress, O king, you should go to this garden and do service. What service? Not started massaging his feet. And while you massage his feet, Ramananda Rai suggested that you chant this chapter of Bhagavatam, Gopika Geet. So King Prataprudra memorized that chapter of Ras Panchadhyay. And then, yes, Mahaprabhu also get tired after dancing in Rath Yatra day, and he went to the park, the Jagannath Vallabh Udyana, and he took rest there. So, and according to the agreement, King Prataprudra, wearing a civil dress, he went silently and slowly started massaging Mahaprabhu's feet and started chanting these verses. Starting from verse number 1, he was chanting without any music and something like that. So when he was chanting the 9th verse, Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavibhiriditam kalmasapaham savana mangalam simadatatam bhuvi grinanti te bhurida jana. Sriman Mahaprabhu wake up and shout Bhurida Jana, Bhurida Jana, Bhurida Jana, and embrace King Prataprudra and rolling in the ground, severing, all his hair stand on end, profusely tears are coming down from his eyes, and shouting Bhurida Jana, Bhurida Jana, and rolling in ground, both of them. Both of them are Prema Vikara. So everybody, all the devotees, they chant Hari Bol, because this Prataprudra, he never expects that Mahaprabhu will give darshan to me. Many trial he has tried, it was not happening. And all the devotees also, they said, how come it will happen? But just by the effect of this Gopika Gitam and this menial service, Mahaprabhu became so happy, so attracted, that not only darshan, sparsan, alingan, everything. So, and he asked after a long time, when he comes to his consciousness, external consciousness, and he asked, who are you? Then Prataprudra Dev told, I am just a menial servant of your servant of servant of servant. Anyway, Mahaprabhu is Sarvantar Jami. He could understand. So Prataparudra's deliverance of Prataparudra Uddhar Leela, it's happened in this particular garden. So that's why this is famous, the Prataparudra Uddhar Leela in Jagannath Vallabh garden. And one more thing, when Mahaprabhu stayed in Puri, coming back from South India, on his tour in going to South India, he met Ramananda Rai. Ramananda Rai was a famous Raj Karmachari. He is a governor in Vijayanagar, Raj Mahendri. When Mahaprabhu spent almost 10 days with him, and both of them were total in the peak of their bliss. When Mahaprabhu, while coming back also, he met him and he requested him, Ramananda ji, if you don't mind, you can come to Puri, you can stay together. He said, I am doing this responsible job, now you can give resignation. So Ramananda Rai resigned his job. He sent his resignation letter to King Prataprudra. Prataprudra asked, why you want to resign? What facility you need more? I am giving you so much facility, not asking you anything, and you are doing so good. Why you are leaving? You are not that aged, not that old. Why you are going? Leaving job. Then he gave the reason that because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested me to stay with him, so to get his association and stay with him, so I am leaving the job. When Prataprudra heard that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asking him to meet him and he is denying me to see. Anyway, King Prataprudra gave full pension and all facilities to and sanctioned his resignation. And Ramananda Rai came, and while he was staying in Puri, this is his residence place, Jagannath Vallabh Mutt. He used to stay there. Now in this Jagannath Vallabh garden, the Jagannath Vallabh Mutt is there. There is a saying that this mutt belonged to some Vishnu Swami Sampradaya. It is said that the Kulaguru of Ramananda Rai family, they belong to Vishnu Swami Sampradaya. So that's why they built this mutt. Very old mutt. In this mutt, in the present situation, we used to see 3 altars. One altar, huge deities of Sri Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, Sudarshan, and next to it, in an altar, Ramananda Rai and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and in the third altar, Radha Gopal Vigraha. This Gopal is 400 form of Krishna, holding flute in 2 hands and holding Shankha Chakra another 2 hands. They are saying this deity was personally worshipped by Sri Ramananda Rai in his mysterious bhava. So Ramananda Rai used to stay there, and every day used to go to meet Mahaprabhu and come on his residence place. So when Ramananda Rai was staying there, one time, one famous scholarly Brahman called Pradyumna Mishra, he came to Mahaprabhu. When he heard that Mahaprabhu is Sakshat Krishna, he came to Mahaprabhu and requested him, I heard that you are Krishna, so I want to hear some Krishna Katha from you, please. Mahaprabhu told, I don't know who told you that I am Krishna. I am nowhere, I am not even a Krishna devotee. I don't know anything about Krishna Katha, but I can tell that you have desire to hear about Krishna, so definitely you are very, very, very fortunate. Jara Krishna Katha Ruchi sei Bhagyavan, Tumar Krishna Katha Ruchi tumi Bhagyavan. So you are very fortunate because you have desire to hear about Krishna. But you come to a wrong place. I am not qualified to speak about Krishna, but I can tell you because I have heard Krishna Katha from somebody and he is very, very elevated personality. And then Padma said, okay, to whom you recommend? No, you go to Ramananda Rai. He is perfect in Krishna Katha. By hearing Ramananda Rai's name, Pradyumna Mishra, he became little disturbed because he is local man. He knows Ramananda is local. He is a Sudra. I am such a high grade Brahmana. How can I go to hear from a Sudra? He is Raja Karmachari. But Sriman Mahaprabhu, he wants to teach that these Kulini Brahman, those who are very full of ego and learned and their parentage and all that, they want to see that even the so-called Sudras, if they are devotee, how they can far better than these people. So he said, no, you go, and he glorified Ramananda Rai. So Pradyumna Mishra, though he doesn't want, but he went. He went and went to meet Ramananda Rai. And Ramananda Rai was busy. He could not meet him. He was busy in decorating some young girl for Devadasi Nritya, for Jagannath Vallabha drama. By hearing this from the servants, Pradyumna Mishra became more disturbed. He said, how come he said that this fellow is like this degraded? How come I hear from him Krishna Katha? So next day Pradyumna Mishra came again to Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu said, have you heard? They said, why you are cheating me? This is like this kind of person. I know this. Then Mahaprabhu glorified Ramananda Rai like anything. And he said, go today. So again, Mahaprabhu insisting so much. So Pradyumna Mishra came again to Jagannath Vallabha garden, and Ramananda Rai, he heard that Pradyumna Mishra came yesterday, so he was alert, so he met him. And then he said, okay, I am sorry, yesterday I could not meet you, so please tell me, how can I serve you? Now, see, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sending me again and again that I want to hear some Krishna Katha, so he recommended you, that I want to hear from you. He recommended me. Okay, he is Supreme Lord. He can do anything. If he want to speak through me, then no problem. What topic you want? Pradyumna Mishra told, I heard that Sriman Mahaprabhu was telling you spoke to him some topic in Raj Mahindri for 10 days. So can you discuss the same thing? So Ramananda started discussing that topic. And Pradyumna Mishra was hearing. Both of them so much engrossed and so much in blissful mood that how time passed by, it is already evening time, they don't know, they forget their eating, they forget drinking, just discussion going on, such a blissful discussion. Pradyumna Mishra became so happy, he became so enchanted that next day, and the same day also he understood that really I didn't know this Ramananda Rai is super. So next day he came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he told that how eloquently Ramananda Rai discussed Krishna Katha, how fully he is satisfied. Now he is fully convinced about Ramananda Rai's glorious position on his personality. So this Ramananda Rai, Pradyumna Mishra, Krishna Katha discussion, this happened there in Jagannath Vallabha Mutt. Because Ramananda Rai was staying there, and he is very, very, very highly elevated poet and a drama writer and a very, very highly elevated devotee. So he used to train the Devadasis for the pleasure of Jagannath to perform the drama of Jagannath Vallabha, Natakam. So he used to do these things in this garden also, because it was a dense garden, many nice groves were there, totally solitary place. So that's a very nice. So there only Ramananda Rai used to stay and do this rehearsal program for drama. Also, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to stay there, each year in Rasatra time, he used to spend almost 9 days, the whole Rasatra time he will stay there only. He will not come back to Gambhira. Navadina Jatra, Mahaprabhu used to stay with all his associates there in Jagannath Vallabha garden. So in this way, this Jagannath Vallabh garden is full of many pastimes of Sri Jagannath and Sriman Mahaprabhu and all other devotees. Even Sriman Mahaprabhu was feeling separation from Krishna and looking Krishna and searching for Krishna there in this garden. So many pastimes happening in this Jagannath Vallabh garden. So today we are there in Jagannath Vallabh garden, so we can discuss this, and we can see from here Narendra Sarovar and Sri Jagannath Nila Chakra. This is one of the very dearmost place of Lord, even Jagannath and Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So श्री जगन्नाथ वल्लभ गार्डन की समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय।